All right, we have a 2012 Honda Pilot EXL. We've got the service A13 showing up at the dash. We're going to be performing an oil change, tire rotation, and 3 is the transmission fluid. We're going to show you how to reset the maintenance minder on this system. This one is all done from the steering wheel. There's going to be 3 buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. You're going to have one that's located behind 2 of your main steering wheel buttons. The I is the informational display. That's where we're going to start. We're going to hit that button. It will then bring you to your main display. Sometimes it'll go straight to the maintenance minder. I'm going to cycle through so you can see some of the other screens that might have popping up here. So as you cycle through using the select reset button here that's pulled towards you, you pull it towards you there. You can cycle through different screens, including your odometer, tripometer, the outside temperature, trip B, and then back to your maintenance oil life. Once you get to this screen, this is where you're going to go ahead and reset. You're going to go ahead and press and hold towards you the select reset button. As you see, it will take a few seconds. Once it pops up, oil life reset, you let go. You're going to go ahead and use the up button there on the side of the steering wheel to where it says reset. Once it says reset, you pull the button behind the steering wheel again for select reset. Bam, oil life 100%. You're good to go to your next oil change. Hope this was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions or any other vehicles you'd like me to do this for, please comment below. Take care.